Old man river rolling fast.
Our house is 3.5 wide and 8.5 long, and inside we have 24 square meters. And because our tiny house is on wheels, the terrace you can easily take apart in a few hours. And when it's windy or it's a rainy day, we can close the doors. And so this side of the terrace is closed and that side is open, but you can sit there and it's a good temperature. And in winter we can fire up the stove. Toys from the children and hobby stuff. This is my favorite chair. I like to sit here and watch the children playing outside. This is our living room. Upstairs my daughter, Juliette, she's 8 years old, and that's her room. And she can close the doors if she wants. And downstairs my boy is sleeping, Berend. He is 5 years old. And beneath the bed of Berend there is storage. We can put stuff like winter coats.
He has a door as well.
He has a door as well. So he can have some privacy if he wants. And this is our suitcase shelf. Also, each suitcase has a theme, like Playmobil, Lego, and hobby stuff. And a lot of books. We like books a lot, you can see. It was difficult to downsize our books. Here we have some storage too, for shoes. So we have a storage here for the clothes of our children. Our table, it's the typical IKEA, and it's nice because you can make it bigger and there are a lot of storage in the table. It's not very beautiful, I think, but it's practical with children. And this is our tiny wood stove. It's tiny but very strong. House is made of sandwich panels and it's very efficient, but the wood is thin, so it's not a very heavy house. On the ceiling we have a map, and my husband made it by hand, so it's a beautiful detail, I think. This is our kitchen. We cook on gas, and so we have an oven and the fridge and our spice rack. The oven is on electricity, and we have got a boiler for the water, and that's electric as well.
So you're not off-grid?
It's possible for our house to be off-grid if we want to, but now we are not off-grid because we have the installations here. And from an old bicycle chain I made this hanging storage for silverware and other stuff like keys. I try to live sustainable, so I buy the second-hand stuff a lot, like this coffee machine and a suitcase over there. This is my office, so my workspace, and we have a washing machine and also storage for the food. And here we have the bathroom and a compost toilet. I don't like to clean it, but it's nice. You don't use clean water, drinking water to flush the toilet. So I think it's a good solution.
And proper size shower.
Yeah, and this is our shower. It's very tiny. And here we have our toiletries. And we have the window for the extra light.
You built the house by yourself? How long it took you to build it?
We took a year to build our house, a lot of Saturdays, and on our, we had our family and our work, so My husband bought it with friends.
But just weekends and holidays.
In the weekends and holidays, yeah. And here we have the stairs. And we are proud of it because the design. And we decided to have an open design because when you made it storage, then I think the house feels smaller. And that is our bedroom. I like it that our master bedroom has a big size, so you don't have to crawl. And I can show you. So you can walk a little bit. Like this. And I'm a very tall woman, so and you can jump in your bed.
And they have some storage there.
Yeah. Oh, at the end we have some storage for our clothes, my husband and I. And besides the bed, we have a lot of books. As I said, we like books. We have too much books in our house.
Is there something you would done differently in your house?
Yeah, I think in winter it's when the children are playing outside. They play outside a lot. When they come in, then it's a rainy day. Then everything becomes very dirty inside the house. So I think next time we want to have a small door. They can go in, and then there is a small room before they go to the living room. You understand? We call it a hall.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I think it's easy to live with children in a tiny house because children likes to play outside and don't need very much to enjoy themselves. We think children need a lot of stuff, but that's not true. They are very okay with nature and what they find there. We had 2 rabbits. I will show you. And there they are. Okay, this is the white with the black. It's a Rapunzel. It's a male. He's a boy, but my daughter calls him Rapunzel. And that is Lizzie. And this is our dining table. We eat outside a lot.